Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Virgos. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstance, Virgos. And we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. I will leave it here. And one fortune cookie card, guys. I will leave it here. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading, Virgos. If you like this reading, if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Virgos. And Virgos, if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a very good friend of mine, a very intuitive reader, and she is giving personal readings in fever. So, if you are interested, you can contact her, Virgos. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. So, we have Two of Pentacles in reverse, Six of Swords, and Six of Pentacles in reverse. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are going through some change, guys. Maybe a change in your residence, you are changing your residence, or you are taking up a new job somewhere, moving to a different state or a city. So, some change in the way things are going today, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have faced a lot of difficult circumstance, and today you are moving away from some difficulty, guys. So, there is a lot of emotional change happening in this circumstance today. Maybe these changes may be even in your relationship, guys. So, you may feel quite emotional about the way things are going today in your life, in this relationship. Maybe because there are people, you may have a lot of people really appreciating you for what you are. Maybe you are a very skilled and talented person, or maybe you are very charming and beautiful, Virgos, and you may have people coming to you, proposing to you. So, there are a lot of people really attracted to you, and they find you a very interesting and charming person. And that may be the reason this person you are in relationship with, they may have a lot of jealousy on you, and they just want to, what to say, be really possessive. They are trying to find out what you're doing, where you're going, and they are really possessive because they see you as someone very interesting, and they are deep down, they are afraid that you may leave them and go for someone else. So, that may be the reason they are really envious of you for some reason, guys. So, let's see what is the card for your relationship. We picked one card and it says Star. So, today you are going to be really, what to say, clear. You are going to tell your person openly what is your intention, or whether you are interested in them, or what it is. Maybe there is someone with a huge crush coming towards you, proposing to you, and maybe this person has heard about it, and that may be the reason for troubles, maybe some misunderstanding. But today things are clearing up. Maybe you are not interested in that person, that new person. You just want this love, maybe your present person, and you are speaking your mind, telling them the truth today, guys, Virgos. So, clarity is what I see, and things are going to fall into place. Maybe even if you find yourself in some difficulty, things will resolve in your relationship, guys. So, for your career, we picked one card. So, let's see what is the card, guys, and it is Ten of Wands in reverse. So, with this card, it just means that there are some difficult circumstances and you need to work really hard, make a lot of efforts, do your best if you want to see positive changes in your career circumstances, Virgos. So, for your moon energies, guys, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. So, with this card, it just means that whatever you have wished for, you will see the answer very soon. So, you need to be really patient for a little more time, guys. So, if you are, trying to find out about your love situation, maybe there is someone flirting with you and it may or may not take a positive change. It may just be a fling, something casual, guys. But if you are asking for some circumstance, some argument you are having, you need to be patient today, guys, because least said soon as mended. That is what I mean. So, the words you speak may be too powerful and it may land you in some difficult circumstance. So, if you want to resolve your circumstance, you must be really careful with the words you speak. And answers are coming to you very soon, guys. And Gemini is a very, a sign for communication. So, maybe you are moving towards an open heart communication with this person you love, or maybe with your friends. You are just speaking what you may feel relieved if you try it, guys. Maybe you must spend time with your friends, with the people you are really, with whom you are really free to talk, maybe everything. So, you need to be with them. That is going to help you, and that is going to make you that is going to cool you down today. So, it is time for you to socialize today, guys, Virgos. So, for your fortune cookie today, we have declutter your life, let go of and people you no longer want. Someone will hurt your feelings and reveal a new side of themselves that you may wish to avoid. Sorry, guys. So, that is your fortune cookie for today, guys. Virgos, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.